Guys, welcome back to JR14. Here we are with another video for you guys. Got the car on jack stands yet again because today we're gonna go Catless, the MA Performance Catless downpipe. Okay, so the reason why I decided to go Catless is because I want my car to be louder. It sounds a little immature, but I kind of want it to go. I kind of want it to be louder. And then obviously, you know, I don't want to damage the Cat doing the pops and bangs. So this will sound a little bit more pronounced and it'll be a little bit better flow. So as you can see, MA Performance actually changed up the design a little bit. So they actually so MA Performance actually changed up the design of this just slightly. The bends up here are similar. However, when you come to the actual hanger, where this bolts up to the actual bracket, this hanger is a little bit different. Obviously, they did this to get a little bit more support on the top and the bottom, but you know, it's definitely dope. So we're gonna actually install this on the car today. We're not gonna show you a full DIY on this just because of the fact that we've done this twice already. Once with the Circuit Works downpipe when I originally went to stage 2, and the second time when we switched to the MA Performance high flow catted downpipe. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and let's jump in. MA Performance is providing us with all of this paper for packaging because Calvin wants to lay on it.
Yes, thank you.
What are you doing?
Where's the tool?
You just stuff it underneath the car with paper.
Yeah, I'm gonna lay on it, but where's the tools?
Oh, tools is in my trunk. Alright, so first thing, as we have done this so many times, we're taking the V-band clamp off first. This will be loose. Now what we're gonna do is just push it against this so we can pry it off.
This was fun.
Cool. All right, so now that's all we have to do up top. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go ahead and loosen the rest of the stuff. You're right there.
You started like 15 ago?
He's stressed.
You started 15 minutes ago.
Yeah. That's what I was telling you. That's what I was telling him.
Like 10, 15 minutes.
He was sitting there saying, "Oh, downpipe. I don't want to do it." I'm like, bro, it's mad simple. I'm like, bro, I even made it easier for you. I jacked the car up already. The car was on jack stands when he got here.
Yeah.
Discuss this, Mike.
Don't worry. Instead of doing more work, you do less. I forgot what size that was, but I know he got it.
You didn't even use a freaking wrench on it.
Yeah, I used a wrench on this side.
You didn't. You didn't think you tightened everything by hand.
If my finger tightened it, then we would be able to get it loose right now.
That old one is done, boys. That old one is done. Rusty, but done. We out here. Got the paper over there. We got the old downpipe here. O2 sensors on the new one, boy. We're gonna go ahead and Calvin's figuring this out.
Jay, I need your help.
Not funny, dude. What do you need help with? Where's the other wrench? Yeah, I'll help him. I got it. Mike is cutting in.
Let me not hit my.
They didn't like the way I did work, so they're actually doing
Just
this.
hold this, Jay. Just look nice, I guess.
All right, I'll look good.
I need somebody to. Jay, I need you to hold this or something.
Oh, you mean
he can hold both. He can hold. Yeah.
hold.
No, hold the end of the pipe. There we go.
Oh man, that's Maryland right there. All them H2O fans. This is your local. Woo! Yeah. Say it with your name.
That's what she said. I gotta eat some Wheaties, man. I don't get it all. Wait, hold on, it's loose. Wait, wrong one.
That's not the side we needed.
Well, that's the side y'all had it on.
No, that's the side Calvin had it on because he wasn't paying attention.
Do this one. Hush. Don't yell at me. At the house.
Like I showed us with getting the wrenches together, and Calvin got the tool out.
Eat your Wheaties, man.
Eat your Wheaties, ladies and gentlemen. Kids out there, eat your Wheaties. What's a slow speed? How you having speed when you slow? I don't get it.
Aren't you tightening it? No. Oh, you lose. I was trying to think of a comeback for Jay, but
nope. You could have been like. So the downpipe's in, guys. The new downpipe is in. Suggestion for you. I have a question for you guys. If you guys switch this clamp right here, I'm thinking about switching it in the near future. Obviously, we don't have time right now to, you know, to change it. So I left it in there for now. But I want to change this clamp in the middle to maybe like a full 3-inch. Can you guys tell me like something that you guys run, so that maybe I can get like an idea? Shoot a comment down in the comment box down below.
Duh, how else they gonna do it? No.
Oh, word? You got jokes? You got jokes? Stop. I'm taking a vacation down there. I'm just messing. Alright guys, so I wanted to give you I wanted to show you everything underneath the car. Now, this is about a week after. I just wanted to plug this in the video real quick before I give it out to you guys. So I know some of you guys might have an issue with this piece right here. See this new pipe that you see right in the middle here? This used to be a old clamp, like, you know, one of the Volkswagen clamp that's a 2.5 inch. So what I did was I basically just, this silver piece right here, this silver new pipe in the middle, that was from Corsa. So Corsa gives you an adapter. However, the adapter from this resonator, the catback, to the downpipe, which is over here, was too long to fit on both ends. So actually what I did was I got it to a shop. I was able to cut it and got it to size. So now I put a clamp on the front of it, a clamp on the back of it, and now there's no more sag. And as you guys can see, this is not going anywhere. Like, this is solid. This is not going anywhere. So just wanted to give you that update on this. And yeah, now let's hear some exhaust sound clips of what this sounds like.
Hit that silver car.
It shot fire. It shot fire. I'm mad excited. Wow, I was expecting it to like take a while, but nah, it instantly just shot like pop pop pop. Calvin said he saw it. He showed me the clip. I saw it, and wow. So okay, Catless Downpipe from MA Performance. Guys, is gonna conclude this video. We're not gonna do, like I said, we didn't show you the whole install. If you want to see the full installation of the MA Performance with the catted downpipe, look in the upper right hand corner of the screen. But without further ado, guys, what I need you to do for JR14, I need you to like, share, and subscribe to the content. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I hope you did, because now Project Mark 7 shoots fire, which is awesome. And stupid. But you know what, guys, I hope you guys have a good one and take care. And remember, cars are a lifestyle.